part is the elevator here at Kohl's in Monroeville, Pennsylvania. We got a Schindler MT here. Pretty well. Here we go. Here are you all. Put on an LL. Cat view. Very nice for a Kohl's. Here are LL. But one more time. This button does not work. Here goes, here the motor. There you all.
She's good, but she's slow.
Oh, yeah,
You want to get on?
No, you guys
Sure.
go first, and I'll catch you next one. Thank you.
You taking rides or what?
All right, you guys take care.
Okay. I'm going all fake.
That's what I'm doing.
Last year, I didn't have to water. I
Yeah,
didn't have to worry about them dying.
yeah. Well, the deer ate all of mine. I bought like $200 worth of flowers for spring, and they
you'll
ate them
have
all.
these like
Yeah,
forever.
yeah.
Sorry. I got the birthday glass. He's there.
$2,500.
I'm living in Boston. I'm living. Oh, I didn't even know you was born. Sorry.
Oh,
Bring something back from Amazon.
And that's it.